Have you ever been so deep into a new romance that the rest of the world just blurs? That was me, 3 weeks ago. 35, single, well, technically not anymore. And suddenly floating on a cloud made of perfect dates, 2 a.m. voice notes, and a man who looked at me like I was the plot twist he'd been waiting for his whole life. Let's call him Alex. Alex with the ridiculous smile. The effortless way he remembered I like my martini filthy, and the text that made my phone feel like it was blushing. 3 weeks of rooftop bars, lazy Sundays in bed, and that delicious moment when you realize you're no longer introducing yourself, you're just continuing. And then came brunch. I'm sitting across from him at this cute little spot in Soho, hair still messy from the night before, his fault. Stealing bites at his avocado toast like we've been doing this for years. My phone lights up, a harmless Tinder notification. I haven't opened the app in weeks. I deleted the icon, actually. But muscle memory is a bitch, so I swipe it away, and there it is. His face. On my screen. Active 6 minutes ago. Green dot glowing like a little betrayal beacon. I freeze. Fork mid-air. The heart is doing that annoying thing where it forgets its job for a second. He's still shopping. While I'm over here mentally rearranging my closet for his hoodies. So I did what any sane, totally chill woman would do. I smiled, said, "Pass the hot sauce," and spent the rest of brunch spiraling in high definition. Is 3 weeks too soon to expect someone to delete the app? Or am I just another option in his carousel of possibilities? When exactly does "I'm really into you" turn into "I'm only into you"? I left brunch without saying a word about it. Because, God, confrontation? Over Tinder? At week 3? I might as well tattoo insecure on my forehead and save everyone the trouble. But here's what kept me up that night. If he's still swiping, does that mean I'm not enough? Or does it just mean he's normal? Because let's be honest, girls, we've all done it. Kept one foot on the app just in case. Checked Hinge during the Uber ride home from a great second date. Told ourselves it's smart to keep options open. But when it's happening to you, it feels like emotional cheating with better lighting and worse grammar. Should I say something? Like, "Hey Alex, loving the whole falling for you vibe. But could you maybe stop window shopping for my replacement while I'm literally sitting in your t-shirt? Or is that crazy? Am I asking for exclusivity too soon?" 3 weeks isn't nothing. 3 weeks is 12 dates, 4 sleepovers, and at least one meet the friends moment. 3 weeks is when you stop lying about liking jazz and start admitting you secretly love true crime podcasts. 3 weeks is when you decide if this is going somewhere or just killing time until someone better swipes right. And maybe that's the part that stings the most. The idea that while I'm over here catching feelings like a fool, he's still auditioning the rest of the cast. So tell me, darling, at what point do we get to ask someone to choose us? And why does asking feel like begging? I still haven't brought it up. Part of me wants to be the cool girl, the one who doesn't care, who trusts the process, who believes if it's real, he'll delete the apps on his own. The other part wants to slide my phone across the table next time we're together, green dot blazing, and say, "Looking for something better," or just scared of how good this already is. Maybe both are true. Maybe he's terrified. Maybe I am too. Because the scariest thing isn't that he's still on Tinder. It's that I might actually like him enough to fight for this. And fighting, at week 3, feels insane. But walking away without saying anything, that feels worse. So here I am, asking the void, when did dating become this game where the first one to care loses? And are we all just swiping through each other's lives? Until someone brave enough to stop? I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But I know this. If he's still looking, maybe I should be too. Or maybe, just maybe, it's time to demand the kind of love that doesn't need a backup plan. What would you do? Be honest, I can take it. And yes, I still have his hoodie. Thanks for watching.